Hi, guys. Welcome back from spring break. I hope it was fun and restful at the same time. So here we are in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. Okay, so we are in home, which acts for us as a bulletin board to our classroom. And what do we have here on our bulletin board? We have about week 10, our weekly video that explains what we're doing in the class this week, and that is what you are listening to and watching now. Okay, we also have a link to our to-do list in modules for this week, week 10 in modules, discussion 6A, the curriculum, what we learn, and a pronoun agreement quiz. And our artwork this week is related, of course, to the curriculum. And we have an interesting question here. What's the core of the core curriculum? An even more interesting question to ask might be, what should be the core of the core curriculum? And we'll ask and answer both of those questions in our 6A discussion. Okay, I'm going to remind you that our research paper topic is, what is the cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S., and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? And we're going to look at the curriculum this week as a possible problem contributing to low student success rates. Okay, so scrolling down the screen, we see that we have conference in the left menu and office hours in general classroom building 210D. They are from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays, of course. And we have the workshopping the essay policy here. And this is my pedagogy, how I teach, and my grading system. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up the screen, and we have a new tab here, course evaluation. And if you have not completed the course evaluation yet, it's super helpful for me as a teacher if you do so. So please complete it. Okay, let's get started with week 10 in modules, the curriculum.